How to invite friends in Worldcoin app. So, step 1, open the Invites mini app from your homepage or install it from the mini apps app. And then, alternatively, you can open your World app settings to find a shortcut to the mini app. Then, step 2, once you open your mini app, you can copy and share your invite code, or you can tap on the invite friends. Step 3, if you would like to invite friends, you will first need to sync your contacts. Once your contacts appeared on your screen, you can now tap on the invite button of each individual friend that you are looking to invite for. Or you can send the copy link that you have copied earlier. Step 4, a message with an invite link will be generated and you can now send that. Once your friend receives your invitation, they will now have to either copy and paste your invite code in the World app settings before making an orb appointment. So, getting World ID verified or registering their phone number. If done correctly and if applicable, you should receive the invite reward once they verified the World ID and that orb and successfully claim their first airdrop. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.